Oh, here we go. Michael B. Jordan. You know Michael B. Jordan from Black Panther?
Oh, yeah.
Michael B. Jordan. Okay. Because obviously there's Michael Jordan.
Oh, yeah. It's a very common name again. Michael and Jordan. So they keep their name, but they find a way to differentiate without necessarily changing the whole name.
Hi, this is Joanna Jose Glass from the rock band Glasspirits. Thank you so much for finding our channel, Music Tips by Pepe and Ybra, on YouTube, and thanks for tuning in to our new series, the Online Presence Checkup Show, aka the OPC Show. Online presence can include, but is not limited to, an artist's social media account, their website, Google search, and YouTube channel. What we'll be doing today is taking a look at the online presence of an artist or music business and talking about some of the actionable steps to make some improvement. Now, I have with me here a very special and talented guest. She is our label mate on Glasspirits' record label, Gloucester Records. She is none other than Laura S. Valle.
What happens if I decide to go with Laura S. Valle? Do I need to rename all these websites?
I think you can.
What about my YouTube channel, which is Laura Valle Music?
All of that stuff.
You can write it in the description.
Yeah, I think it'll be good because, and we can even put it in the let me see, Laura Valle Musician. We can even put it in here whenever you're ready. Because I think that'll get more direct results, but then also you have to do the follow-up with it, like when you go to shows, when you're being introduced, you have to be like, hi, I'm Laura S. Valle, you know, and then just make it part of your speech. And then we're talking about doing follow-through with like flyers or take-home cards. Well, this is something I'll just mention to the channel, that oftentimes, you know, people will like your music or they'll go to your show, but they're there to see someone else, and they also like you too, but they didn't buy a CD, or they were in a rush, or you were in a rush, whatever. But if you can leave them with like a follow-through card with your information, saying, hi, I'm Laura S. Valle. If you like my music, keep this. You can check this out, and it can have a URL or a scan code to your music, a Spotify scan code on it as well. So that way you're focusing on the branding. You know, when you get big and stuff, you can always drop the S. But yeah, I mean, for example, who was I thinking of? Evan Wood. Okay, well, now she's popular enough where so this is an actress, Evan Rachel Wood. It's like whenever her name is mentioned, people always say like her middle name. They always say Evan Rachel Wood. I just don't know if there's probably like artistic reasons or maybe other reasons from her agent who encouraged her to go by her whole name, or maybe she just liked her whole name. I don't know if there was another actress named Evan Wood, or if there was another person.
It's very popular named last
Evan
name,
Wood.
right? Wood.
It's a very popular last name. You know, there's like Tiger Woods.
Yeah, so many Woods.
But luckily, Evan Rachel Wood, it kind of rolls off the tongue. It sounds nice. But, yeah, no, there's, who else am I thinking of? There's tons of people that use a middle initial. It's, I'm just kind of drawing a blank right now.
But just the initial. She's using the whole name, not just the initial.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to give an example of someone who didn't use their first and last name, Hunter Thompson. Okay, so here's Hunter S. Thompson. I don't know if Thompson. Let's see what Hunter Thompson. Well, see, the thing is, he's so popular, his results will show up first. So,
but he wanted
anyways,
to differentiate himself from other Hunter Thompsons.
Maybe at the time, I mean, when he was coming out, maybe there was another Hunter Thompson. The thing is if I'm a Hunter Thompson coming out now, I would say I'm Hunter L. Thompson or whatever.
Yeah.
But, oh, here we go. Michael B. Jordan. You know Michael B. Jordan from Black Panther?
Oh, yeah.
Michael B. Jordan. Okay. Because obviously there's Michael Jordan.
Oh, yeah, it's a very common name again. Michael and Jordan. So they keep their name, but they find a way to differentiate without necessarily changing the whole name.
We're now going to take a break for a quick announcement. You want to see us live? Well, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, subscribe, like, and comment. You know the deal. You can also support us on Patreon for as little as $1 a month. What is Patreon? Patreon is a platform that allows fans to support creators. You can donate a certain amount per month. 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. So we can have a consistent and sustained way of bringing music to you. Depending on what tier, which is the level that you feel comfortable supporting us at, you'll have either early access to merch, future music, or concert tickets, or exclusives like live video and behind the scenes footage that won't be available on our public platforms. In the meantime, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Spotify, SoundCloud, and Twitter. We're on all these platforms to make it easy for you to communicate with us. There will be a link in the bio or a video description or comments. Now, back to the show. Yeah, and it's just like such a small way. Yeah. I mean, take your time and think about it.
Yeah, it's easier because I try a lot to think of an, how do you call that? AKA? Aka? How do you say it?
AKA. Yeah, also known as.
Yeah, I spent hours trying to figure out and I couldn't come up with anything smart. It's kind of hard. Yeah. But the middle initial would be easy. Yeah. Something
it's really
to
easy.
To think about. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's not like you're completely
changing
using a completely different name and you have to like rebrand and give people notice. It's something that your fans can just subtly take notice of. But yeah, I think that would be good.
That's a good suggestion.
So think about
Very
it.
good suggestion.
Yeah.
But could I change that in the Google profile, or can I change that myself, or would I?
You can. The first thing I would do is change your websites and your YouTube and Instagram first. Yeah. And then change your Spotify bio, I think. So all those things are pretty easy to do. They let you change them. And then let me see. Change your
I still need
website.
The Spotify bio. I still need to write the.
Oh, that's really important. Okay, and then I would go back here and change this.
Okay.
Laura, and then I would just hit incomplete and then put in what it is. But I'm not going to do it yet. I'll just,
I see.
You think about it, and then whenever you change it, then you can go back here and do it. Because that's such a big thing. It's something for you to do.
Yeah, it's a big project. But it could help.
Yeah, and so the thing is if I type in Laura S. Valle, it's only your stuff that's coming up. Well, sorry, except this one, but this is Laura J. Valle. See? So it's very obvious it's someone else. Yeah. Well, actually, this other stuff is still coming up, but for the most part,
can you type
the top ones? Mm-hmm. No, I'm just saying the top ones are your results. Yeah. Can I type what?
And I already have two that come up as Laura S. Valle. In Bandcamp. That's crazy. I might have done it without realizing.
Because maybe there were other Laura Valles and they were telling you, no, you gotta give us a different. Really? Okay.
Okay. Great. So that's something to think or change. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Great. What about YouTube, Joanna?
I hope you received some benefit from this video. Tell us in the comments what you thought of it, or tell us what you're going to do about what you're passionate about. How are you going to make it? But wait, there's more. Go ahead and click on the video below to hop to the next part or to the related video. Or if you're eager to check out my band Glasspirits' music, go to the videos here.
There'll be time